time. At 7:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Roosevelt Park to 32 miles west of Grand Haven, moving
Which
at
is where
55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Holland, Grand Haven, Hudsonville, Zeeland, Coopersville, Ferrysburg, Fruitport, Dren, Grand Valley, Bauer, Jamestown, Allendale, Olive Center, Unica. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXN99, transmitting on a frequency of 162.4.